I'm gonna tell you a simple hack that will make your audience notice your copy. So, when I was in the third semester of my design college, we had this final jury wherein I made the entire presentation in all caps font. Yes, the headline, the paragraphs, everything was in all caps. And my best friend asked me that why have you used all caps font? It makes it look as if the words are shouting at me. She said it feels like you are trying to say everything out so loudly. And these are her exact words, by the way. And I was pretty lazy to change everything like right the night before my jury, so I just presented it anyway. But years later, when I was reading this one book about a great marketeer and his tips and tricks, there was this one thing that hit me really hard and took me back to this particular incident. So he said that copywriting isn't just about a play of witty words. Layouting and typography matters as much, and that changed how I looked at design. He later went on to explain that how use of typography and layouting has a connect with the human psychology of their reading habits. Here's the thing, most of us have grown up reading a serif font, like in our notebooks and newspapers and novels. So if you're designing a print ad or like for a hoarding, use a serif font because that's going to give your copy a subconscious edge with your audience. Like, because you're using a font which is very recognizable and comfortable, it's going to make them stop, and then your wittiness in the copy that you have written can do its magic. Similarly, let's talk about the digital world. Nowadays, all of us are constantly connected with our laptops and mobile phones, all these gadgets. And because of this, we are very familiar with the sans serif font. So if I'm writing a copy for my landing page, which my audience is going to see on Instagram, then I will match the vibe. I will use the same type of font that they are used to. Why? Because this will create a visual familiarity and trust. And when they trust you, they will stop to read your copy. Now, back to my all caps story. Well, yes, my friend was right that the words felt like they were shouting at her. But what I didn't know back then was all caps font or all caps layout slows down your reading. Why? Because we are used to reading a word with only the first letter being capitalized. Now, if we see all capital letters, that means our brain is stopping to read that each letter as a separate word. And this slows down our reading. So here's the summary of the entire video. First, never use an all caps font because that's gonna slow down their reading. Second, a witty copy can only work if you use the right kind of typography and layouting that's gonna play with the audience's psychology and not simply put together pretty fonts just because you like it. And third, and a bit off topic, is I get it, your intuitions are strong, just like my friend when she said that the words felt like they're shouting. But learn how to back them up with logical reasoning. If she would have said that, because you used all caps in your paragraphs, it is slowing the readability. It is retarding the other person's ability to read your paragraphs or copy or whatever it is. And understanding all of this will make you a all-time hit rather than just a one-time wonder. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video.